Imagine a world where your money works for you, not for banks or bureaucrats. Infinite Banking's 7-year money plan lets you take control of your finances, building wealth for your family's future. It starts with a simple truth. Your money is yours, and you don't need to give it away to create a lasting legacy.
And they got out of debt and stayed out of debt, and they used the increased cash flow to build, with no debt payments going to the stupid bank, to increase and create wealth. Your most powerful wealth building tool is your income. Don't give it to freaking mortgage companies, Lexus Motor Credit, Toyota Motor Credit, MasterCard, student loans, and then wonder why you're broke.
Dave Ramsey nails it. Your income is your greatest asset, but banks want to siphon it away with endless debt. Infinite Banking flips the script. By using a properly structured whole life insurance policy, you become your own banker, keeping your cash flow in your control. Think of it like a grocery store. Instead of giving your money to the bank, you stock your own shelves.
We're actually paying more to the government in taxes than for our own basic necessities, such as food, shelter, and clothing. Now, where is all that money going that we're giving to the government? This Liberal government hasn't been very transparent in the past. They didn't even release a budget telling people where exactly all of our tax dollars are going. But we do know that we spend over $1 billion a year giving money to the CBC, the Canadian government's propaganda arm. We've sent in total $12 billion to Ukraine to fund a war.
Canadians are taxed to death, often more than they spend on essentials. The government's lack of transparency fuels distrust. Infinite Banking offers a legal way to fight back. Your policy grows tax-free, shielding your wealth from Ottawa's overreach. It's like planting a garden that grows without the government picking your fruit.
That's a big risk, but it's not nearly as big a risk as never getting what you want and need. And that is definitely the alternative. And that's a pathway to bitterness and cynicism and a wasted life. And bitterness and cynicism, that's just where that starts. It gets way worse as it compounds. It's very useful to treat yourself like you're someone you're responsible for helping. And it is very useful to compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today.
Peterson reminds us that short-term thinking leads to regret. Infinite Banking is about the long game, building wealth for your kids and grandkids. By committing to a 7-year Infinite Banking capitalization plan, you create a financial system that grows over generations. It's like planting an oak tree today that your family will rest under tomorrow.
Annoys me personally when I invest is I want to make sure that my money goes towards my beliefs. And if you have someone else managing your money, or you put your money in a Vanguard, you put your money in a BlackRock, there's possibilities for that to happen at a much broader scale than if you do it on your own.
That's exactly
and
right.
That's like what we're trying to build that. We're trying to essentially build out the way that you can have your money managed without you having to sacrifice your own values, your own voter rights, your own beliefs.
Exactly.
Big institutions like BlackRock don't care about your values. They push agendas with your money. Infinite Banking keeps your wealth in your hands, free from Wall Street or Bay Street games or government corruption. Your policy is a vault, locking in your financial freedom and aligning with what matters to you. Don't let banks, taxes, or bureaucrats steal your future. Infinite Banking empowers you to build a legacy tax-free for generations. It's not just money, it's your money. Take control today. Visit McGuireFinancial.ca to learn how to become your own banker and secure your family's wealth. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on It's Your Money.